what is styling and why do people need stylists?
So, okay, that is like there are multiple answers to this, but I think styling in general is just figuring out like what is an extension of yourself that is beyond clothes. Like, of course, it's dependent on clothes and like how you dress and how you accessorize your look, etc. But it's most importantly understanding who you are. And now this can be very deep because
Yeah.
most people assume that stylists meaning they only deal with clothes and like really interesting brands and all of that. And of course, that's a big part of it. But for me, if you ask me what styling is, I think it is just understanding who you are and kind of portraying that out there with what you wear and like how you carry yourself, etc. So it's a very broad term because like styling can be something to me, but when I'm styling a celebrity, for example, it could be a little different. But the crux of it is that it's understanding your personal sense of style, what you stand for, and how you can communicate that in with your clothes and kind of how you carry yourself.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
mean,
it's
also,
a little deep, but it's also very simple because at the end of the day, you just want to have fun with what you wear. But if you're someone who is very interested in dressing up and taking care of how you look, then those people will understand what I mean when I say that it's an extension of yourself.
yeah, but I think like even someone who doesn't like, I mean, I don't take that much effort to dress up,
Yeah,
but I do understand that I have like these certain things that I wear.
quirks.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
So when we just spoke about before the
yeah,
podcast, I was like, I usually only wear like shirts and I usually only
yeah,
wear collars.
yeah.
Now, I think initially I started doing that from a fear aspect where I was like, oh, is my neck too big? Is it too bulky? Do
Yeah,
I need more space?
right.
This makes me feel the most comfortable. And then I just started getting so used to it where I
Hmm.
understood why it works for me.
Yeah.
Right? Because sometimes I'm
It
like,
felt like you.
yeah, it
Yeah,
feels like
yeah,
me.
yeah,
And I was like, yeah, this is an extension where even
yeah.
if it came from a place of fear, it's also something that I'm so comfortable wearing. I know how to
Yeah,
style it. Sometimes I
exactly.
button it up completely,
Yeah,
sometimes I make it low, sometimes
yeah.
I make it like formal,
Depending
casual.
on how you feel. Yeah, yeah,
Exactly. So
yeah,
that's where I understand that.
yeah.
But also, when you say it goes deep, it's like you have to understand who you are and what you stand for and what you
Yeah.
mean. So, does this like, do people actually have to know themselves or do they get to know themselves through their dressing?
So I think, like, of course, you have to understand who you are in the sense, like, are you a person who takes effort to get dressed up and look good? Are you doing it for yourself or are you doing it because you're trying to, like, create this image which is actually not you, but you kind of want to be that person? Or are you trying to impress someone? Or, there are many layers to it. So I think what comes to you naturally is what you truly are. So, like, even for me as a stylist, I've had a phase where I used to dress up because I felt like I'm a stylist. I cannot look my best at every given point of time. And I had that phase in my 20s where I would like actively like be on apps shopping all the time because I felt like I needed to have everything that was trendy. And I realized that, like, in my 30s now, I'm like, that is just not me. Also, like, mindset changes and everything. But you get to a point where you're like, now I want to wear what I feel like wearing. Like, I wouldn't care too much about where I'm going, what the occasion is, and like who I am and, what the event is. But it's if I feel comfortable in it, I'm wearing it and I'm going. So I feel like that comes it comes with time, and it also comes with like you said, you had a phase where you didn't really care. And I know so many of my friends who don't really care about what they're wearing. They just have stuff in their wardrobe for years and they'll keep repeating that, which I think is also cool. But I think for people who are probably more out there, seen at a lot of places, like your work is a lot of in front of the camera, I guess those are the people who also really take the effort to like
Yeah.
put themselves together. But understanding yourself is just to, it's a simple way of saying that you'll obviously buy what comes to you naturally. Like you can relate to an outfit when you see it, and there might be some things that you hate and you'll never pick that, but then maybe someone picks that because they know it's like going to make them look a certain way, which could be like a sense of fear where they want to be that but they're not that, but they want to be it. And then that gets really complicated because it's also visible in how you conduct yourself, how you speak, and then you're not yourself. So that's why I feel like it's all
So
connected,
connected. Yeah,
it's
that's so
crazy.
true.
Yeah,
Like, if you actually have to decode it, I remember there was this phase where, I mean, this was much younger, but
yeah.
low rise jeans was a
Oh my
thing.
god,
Like,
yeah.
what the
We've
hell?
all been there, right?
Yeah,
We've
but
all
like,
been there, worn that.
what
But I think it works. Like today, I would never wear it, although I think it looks hot on people.
some people.
Some people who can really pull it off. But I'm like, I used to have a phase where I would wear stuff showing my navel and like I felt like that was a really cool thing to do. I would have like a belly piercing and a waist chain specifically so that I could wear low waist stuff. But now I'm like, that's not me, and that's fine because I'm done with that phase.
Yeah.
Now I'm all about like loose stuff and like high waisted pants. And so, but people like the Gen Zs are wearing it, and I think
It's
they're
coming
pulling
back,
it off.
no?
It's all coming back. It's all going to come back, and I love that because I feel like it's never really out of style until you accept it. Like everything is out there. It's all about like how you pick and choose and like mix things together. And you can have a little bit of 90s in you even now. You don't have to like completely discard it and like stay in trend, because that's also very boring, I feel like.
But there are,
following
yeah,
trends.
that's true. Like, I
Yeah.
like what you said, that nothing is really out of trend. You just have to
Yeah.
like accept
Like
it.
I still have stuff from like when I was in like 6th, 7th grade. I still have a couple of my jewelry pieces, like the beads that we all
Yeah.
would wear in the Middle East. It was such a thing, I think, world over, not just Middle East. But I still have that, and I wear it sometimes here and there because I feel like it's still kind of who I am, and I don't want to like discard it.
I love that.
Yeah, so everything is coming back.